I can describe the emotion for me, guys. You know, I'm here, the waterfall's right here in front of us. The most longer or the highest waterfall in the state of Sao Paulo, Brazil. All right, I'm here with Alexander Salsani. I don't know if you saw him in all the videos on the Cape. You know, I'm gonna leave the description right here up. If you haven't seen it, just go and click it. You know, and I'm here with Paula, Noah, Dominic, Lee. Right, those are my new adventure people and crew here. All right, guys, we hiking. The distance is not too much from the camping area. It's really relative. It's just like a next door. You could go and walk out here. You know, I'm gonna give you all the details, you know, about all this camping area, how to reach, you know, the prices, and of course you gotta pay, you know, to camp here with your tent. And the area and the facility is pretty much really good. When I'm talking about that, it's like you got a place to make some barbecue, grill, whatever you want to do. You got electricity, beautiful bathroom, you know. And the weather, look at this weather. We have no sunlight, but this fog is just fresh and nice, the temperature. Like I say, we are on the way to review this waterfall. All right, guys. Talk to me, folks. What do you think about this waterfall? 75 meters here in the state of Sao Paulo, Brazil. One of the most biggest waterfall for all of you guys in Ricky Morris YouTube channel. Delivery one more time. Adventure, good energy, family, and friends, and so much good energy of those new friends, you know. In this place, everybody could come, walk down the stairs carefully because it's a long walk the stairs, you know, to reach here. It's a little bit slippery in the raining season, and I don't know what else to say, guys. Just come and talk by yourself and feel your own experience, you know. And also, remember, if you come here, gente, no joga lixo, mantenha a natureza segura e cuide de todo eso. Let me tell you in English to everyone, just take care of the natural environment, all right, folks? Until the next time, I hope you enjoy the whole details. You know, don't forget to subscribe and give it that thumb up if you like the video. And don't forget to hit that notification just in case for the next video coming ahead, all right, guys? Until next time, papi. Hey, gente, ciao, ciao.